Hey, buddy, welcome back to WAC. Remember, the shortest pencil is better than the longest memory. So let's break out.
Good morning. May I talk to Pat?
This is Pat.
Hi, Pat. How are you doing?
Hi, Kelly. How are you?
Just fine, too. How are things getting along?
Pretty busy as usual.
So, Pat, Clayton and I are happy to know that you and Andre can go to the beach with us next weekend.
It is a pleasure, Kelly. And who else will be able to go?
Well, only Clayton, my two children, Melissa and Tony, and me, but we will also call Milton and his wife to know if they can go too.
So, can I take Carol and Pedro too?
Of course, Pat, you can bring them too, so that Melissa and Carol will have company. You know, these young people are like birds of a feather that must always flock together. Melissa and Carol are learning how to dance clogging, and Pedro is teaching Tony how to play the guitar. But he should study more, in my opinion.
Don't be too demanding, Kelly. Let's take advantage of the weekend and have some fun.
I agree with you. We can't just work all year long. By the way, Pat, I need your help.
Sure, Kelly. How can I help you?
Well, Pat, you know, Clayton says I am fond of lists, so can you help me make a list of things we will have to take to the beach?
I think we should make two lists. One for the gadgets to take to the beach, and another for the items we must not forget to buy in the supermarket.
I agree. Okay, Pat, so I'll drop by your house this afternoon so that you can help me with the list.